So the first one, I'm gonna add an enzyme. And give it a quick mix. Do the same, and as I keep going, there is more enzyme in each of these. So you can see this first one's already like a faint yellow. But this one was made like 30 seconds later, but they're already about the same shade of yellow. This is 1 to 3. This one is equal parts ONPG to enzyme. Alright, so give these a minute or two, but as you can see, the ones with more enzyme, these two are already darker than the one with less enzyme. And I think in a minute or two, this 1-to-1 ratio will become darker than all of the other ones. So I'm gonna keep mixing them. But I think it's already starting to be pretty clear. Yeah. So this reaction has been going on for the longest, but there's still less product form because these have more enzyme. You can see the 1-to-1 ratio already caught up to these two. So this is a very qualitative way to measure it, but to be quantitative, we'd have to actually take data for all of these. So some of your groups might have different enzyme to ONPG ratios. So as an example, one that I did earlier, so this is a 1-to-1 ratio in about 30 minutes. So it took about 30 minutes to get to this yellow. And in comparison, this one took closer to an hour to get to the shade of yellow. So yeah, the amount of enzyme you add really controls the rate of your reaction. So you don't want it to go too fast because you won't be able to see that linear portion of the Michaelis-Menten graph. So make sure you keep that in mind when doing your experiment.